The Institute of Supply Management, ISM Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index, PMI, report on business is based on data compiled from monthly replies to questions asked of purchasing and supply executives in over 400 industrial companies. For each of the indicators measured, new orders, backlog of orders, new export orders, imports, production, supplier deliveries, inventories, customers' inventories, employment, and prices, this report shows the percentage reporting each response, the net difference between the number of responses in the positive economic direction and the negative economic direction, and the diffusion index. Responses are raw data and are never changed. The diffusion index includes the percent of positive responses, plus 1/2 of those responding the same, considered positive. The resulting single index number is then seasonally adjusted to allow for the effects of repetitive intra-year variations resulting primarily from normal differences in weather conditions, various institutional arrangements, and differences attributable to non-moveable holidays. All seasonal adjustment factors are supplied by the U.S. Department of Commerce and are subject annually to relatively minor changes when conditions warrant them. The PMI is a composite index based on the seasonally adjusted diffusion indices for 5 of the indicators with varying weights: new orders, 30% production, 25% employment, 20% supplier deliveries, 15% and inventories, 10%. A higher than expected reading should be taken as positive/bullish for the USD, while a lower than expected reading should be taken as negative/bearish for the USD. Prime Professional specializes in providing both market services and educational resources to ensure clients have the necessary knowledge